Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Murali Maths class. So today we learn trigonometry. Trigonometry exercise 11.4. Trigonometry exercise 11.4. In that second problem we'll see now. Second one. Show that second one is given like this. Show that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square equals to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. That we need to show. Show means what? Take any one thing. Take LHS and simplify that. We have to get RHS answer. Otherwise take RHS, simplify this, we have to get LHS answer. So that is the meaning of show. Okay, show that means. Okay, we can take this to get this answer. Otherwise we can take this 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta and simplify that, you will get this answer. Okay, so for a very easy calculation I am taking this RHS answer. If I take RHS and if I simplify this RHS, we have to get LHS answer. Then the problem is completed. Okay, yes. Now see here, step by step you see. What is RHS given? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, that is the RHS given. Okay, so the first thing what we have to do is we have to multiply with the conjugate of denominator. Okay, nothing but rationalizing denominator. So what we have to do in the next step, 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, this one you multiply and divide with conjugate. That means here 1 plus cos theta means you take 1 minus cos theta, multiplying and dividing. This is very important step. So whatever we have in the denominator, no, that conjugate I am writing here, multiplying and dividing, not numerator, denominator. Okay, okay. So see here, if you cancel this same one, you can cancel. Again you will get the same answer you will get. That means you can write like this, nothing will happen. Okay, yes. After this what we have to do? So in this step what I did, denominator, conjugate and multiplying and dividing. See in some problems this is this step will be required. Okay, yes. Next, multiply numerators. 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Same. Multiply denominators. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. We multiplied numerator, denominator. Now simplify that. Numerator same one, 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So we can write as 1 minus cos theta whole square we can write, divided by denominator. It is looking like some formula, no? In previous problem we discussed this formula. This is A, B, A, B. It is looking like A plus B into A minus B. So formula, here I will write formula, okay. A plus B into A minus B. What is the answer? A square minus B square. So in the denominator, now what we have to write? A square. A means what? 1. So 1 square minus B square. B means what here? Cos square. That's it. Okay. Yes. Next step you see here. Numerator is looking like some formula again. What is the formula that we have to apply for the numerator? 1 minus cos theta whole square, no? So numerator formula is, numerator formula I will write here. A minus B whole square formula. A square plus B square minus 2AB. That formula we have to use. See here, A means what? 1. B means what? Cos theta. A 1, B cos theta. First one is what? A square. So 1 square plus B square. B means what? Cos. So cos square theta minus 2AB. 2 into A means 1. 1 into B means cos theta. Okay. In the denominator we have 1 square, no? 1 square means 1 minus cos square theta as it is equals to 1 square means 1, cos square as it is you write, minus 2 into 1 cos theta. So 3 if you multiply we will get 2 cos theta you will get, divided by here 1 minus cos square theta, that is one identity. Observe this, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. This we know. From this we find out sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. That's all, no? Plus cos square theta, take it on right hand side, minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta, answer is what? Sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta, answer is sin square theta. So here we have 1 minus cos square theta, write the denominator as sin square theta. Okay. Yes. Next one. This denominator you write for 1 and for cos square theta and for 2 cos theta separately. That means 1 by sin square theta we can write plus cos square theta by sin square theta we can write minus 2 cos theta by sin square theta also we can write. Why? Because for all these 3 same denominator, for all these 3 same denominator, okay, like that. Now observe here, 1 by sin, what is the answer? 1 by sin is cosecant, but here we have square, so we can write cosecant square theta we can write. Okay. Then cos by sin formula, cos by sin, that is cot, but we have square, so we can write cot square theta we can write, minus here 2 into cos theta divided by sin theta. Sin square theta means how many sin we have? We have 2 sines. One sin I wrote here. One more sin beside this I would write as 1 by sin theta. Same, okay? No answer I am changing, but just modifying that. Observe this, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Here we have sin square theta. 2 into cos theta into 1, 2 cos theta. Okay, we have same answer. Okay, yes. These two as it is, right? Minus 2 into cos theta by sin theta, cot theta, into 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. Now whatever we got answer, no, that is looking like some formula. What is this formula? It is looking like a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A means what? Cosecant. B means what? Cot theta. Minus 2 is there. A cot theta, B cosecant theta, like that. Okay. So this answer is what? A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square. So finally we will get the answer. Our answer will get. A means what? Cosecant. So cosecant theta minus B. B means what? Cot. So cot theta whole square. That's it. So it is one formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. The answer is a minus b whole square. A means cosecant theta minus b means cot theta whole square. That's it. That only they are asking. See here, we took this 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. We took this and we simplified this. We got this answer, cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Observe this, cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Okay, nothing is there. This is cosecant theta or not cosecant square theta, only cosecant theta. Okay, cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. That's it. Thank you.